Hey guys, this is Eros from Asceny, and in this video we are going to talk all about the Optical Gateron switches. If you are here, there is a good chance that you are currently in the progress of getting a keyboard, but unsure which switches to choose from. And I'm going to do my best in order to help you out with this decision. The keyboard that I am going to use in this video is the Asceny 60% keyboard. One of its biggest advantages is that it is hot swappable, which means that I can easily change the switches to any other optical switches without having to solder anything. So if you think that in the future you will want to change switches from time to time, I highly suggest that you get yourself a hot swappable keyboard. The cable which I'm using is also our Asceny cable, and I will link everything in the description of the video in case that you guys are interested. Our cables tend to be out of stock most of the time, so what I suggest you to do is, in case that you're interested, is to join our mailing list, which is going to be also linked in the description. That way we will let you know when they are back in stock on Amazon, and also sign you up to all of our future giveaways. We tend to give away keyboards and cables every now and then, so you may want to be registered. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first switches that we're going to check out will be the Optical Gateron switches in blue. And now let's begin the sound test. So now, if you guys remember, at the beginning of this video, I have mentioned that the Asceny one is a hot swappable keyboard, and this seems like a good time to explain and demonstrate what this feature actually is. So, provided inside the package, you will find a keycap puller, which is this little thing, and a switch puller. All that you have to do is to use the keycap puller that way and pull the keycap outside. Now take the switch puller and hold the switch that way from top and bottom, and then you can just squeeze and pull. Now just get a new optical switch and replace it, and put back the keycap. So now all that I'm going to do is to switch the rest of the keyboard. So from this moment I'm not going to annoy you guys anymore, so just enjoy the sound test, and maybe at the end of the video, if you would like, you can hear me out and hear my suggestions about which switch you should get. And one last thing, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, so thank you very much, and let's begin. So which switch do I personally suggest? If it is your first mechanical keyboard, I would highly suggest you to go with a tactile switch. So either go with the blue or brown. The blue is much more clicky but very loud, while the brown is less clicky but quieter. I find out that new mechanical keyboard users tend to love the blue the most because they just switched from rubber keyboard and what they really expect is the clickiness of a blue switch. Now don't get me wrong, linear switches are also incredible, but I just find out that new users like blues the most. If you feel like you are not the kind of person to like a tactile switch, the red and black switches are both linear, and I know they both sounded the same but they feel so much different. The red ones are much faster. If you are a gamer, I highly suggest that you go with the red ones and not the black ones, as in my opinion they are too slow and heavy for gaming. In any case, I really suggest that you choose a hot swappable keyboard. Of course, yes, I am incentivized to say so because I work for Asceny, but in my opinion it is also a no-brainer to add a couple of extra dollars and get the ability to replace your switches if you ever get bored of your keyboard. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful to you, please hit the like button. It really helps us out. And also make sure to sign up to our mailing list in case that you want to know whenever we launch new products, and also sign up to all of our future giveaways. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and have a nice day.